Hey, hey, it's Tammy Lynn Hancock, the little engine that could, and you can be a little engine that could too. Today I wanted to talk a little bit about the Facebook algorithms and helping you understand that a little bit. And before I get started, I just want to give a shout out to everybody, say hello. If you're watching this video on replay, just pop a note below and say replay. Even tell me where you're from. If you've got any questions, stop at number 1 below and I'll be sure to get back to you. If you'd love to share this and think this would be helpful to somebody, oh yeah, feel free to share. Everything that I have here is to try to help you grow your businesses online and also to grow your businesses at home in a local business market as well. So let's talk a little bit about Facebook algorithms. Now I looked algorithms up on the computer, so I'm going to read it. Give me a minute here. Algorithm in mathematics and computer science is a self-contained, step-by-step set of operations to be performed. They exist and they perform calculation, data processing, and automatic reasoning. Now, that's a lot of scientific jargon to say Facebook uses algorithms. They look to see how their people are using Facebook, and then they adjust things accordingly. It's a really smart thing that they set up here. So the algorithms learn how you and I post, and so it's constantly changing, and so trying to keep up, hey Shara, trying to keep up with these algorithms can be confusing, and sometimes we get behind and then we find out about it only when something happens to us. So algorithms apply to everybody. It's just the way it works. It's a scientific calculation that they use, and there are going to be changes, and they happen when we think we got it set. It's going to change, so it's going to happen whether we want it or not. Algorithms are a learning machine, constantly learning. So as we change our interaction, the algorithm is going to change as well. So it learns how we post so it can connect with us. Because remember, Facebook is all about connecting. They like people connecting. So they want to bring you and me together as friends. They want me to meet new friends and you to meet new friends and then to connect and have our friends of our friends connect. That's all how Facebook works. It's all about connecting. So that's why it's best to grow along with the algorithm as they change. So the algorithms in Facebook, they're going to see and read the things that you and I post. And remember that everything we put on Facebook belongs to Facebook. You don't have ownership of it unless you go someplace and copyright it. Hey, Phyllis. So remember that the algorithms are going to change whether you want to or not. Algorithms learn how we post, and that the algorithm is going to see what we post, and what we post does belong to Facebook. So because algorithm sees what we do, I'm going to move my camera over here and plug in because I just got the low battery power thing. So excuse me a second, I'm going to plug in here. Okay, so when we're talking about algorithms, what I want to point out is because it reads what we put down, when you put things like BOGO, join my, buy me, 5 more spots, a flash sale, those are bad words. Facebook doesn't like it. I'm not telling you that because I don't want you to post those kinds of things on your Facebook. What I'm telling you is this is the way the Facebook algorithm works. And if you keep posting those kinds of stuff, it's just not going to work. If you don't want to spend money with Facebook to properly advertise through them, which you could do, and it's not a bad idea at some point in your attraction marketing game. Hi, Diane. But Facebook could just shut you down. So, those of you who have team members, those of you who have uplines that are telling you to post those kinds of stuff, beware, because you may be one of those that end up in Facebook jail because you're using these words. Now, it's not because Tammy Lynn's telling you this. This is all to do with Facebook algorithms. And that's why it's so important to use Facebook the way it's made. Use attraction marketing. And then on your business page, you can talk about these other things because that's an appropriate spot to do that, but not on your Facebook profile. So some other things about the Facebook algorithms and some of the changes. So we talked about the fact that some of these words are going to go away. unless you buy a Facebook advertisement, okay? The other thing I want to point out to you is Facebook is not too keen when we post those beautiful phrases with pictures behind them. They don't like that because when people see those pictures with words on it, generally they just scroll right by. They're not going to watch that, and that doesn't make engaging. And what is Facebook all about? It's all about community. What is the algorithm looking at? It's looking to see how you and I are communicating. So that's another thing you need to watch out for. And it's true. I want you to think about how you, hey Lisa, I want you to think about how you feel when you're scrolling through people's pages when they have a lot of things that are, pretty pictures with words on them, a saying or whatever, and that's all they put up there. You're just going to scroll right by that kind of stuff. And so remember, Facebook is all about you and I talking and interacting. The other things that Facebook doesn't like too much, they do like when we have photos and then when we tag people, because that puts engagement together on it. And then the other thing is that I wanted to tell you about with a Facebook. So we talked about that algorithms are going to change, that Facebook owns what we put on Facebook, that algorithm is reading our posts and finding out what people are saying so it can change and evolve with it, that things like flash sale, BOGO, buy this, they don't like that. They may shut you down. That's not the purpose of your Facebook profile, unless you're buying a Facebook advertisement. They like photos of faces. They like seeing that. This is another one that you guys got to know about. Did you know that third-party apps like Buffer and Hoopsweep, people use those a lot. Don't use those. They're going to start cracking down on those if they haven't already. These are applications that you can put a post on and then post it later. So they don't like that because Facebook likes you to stay on Facebook. That's how they make money. That's how it works. They make the rules. They gave us the platform. We have to work within those guidelines. Facebook is a super, super platform. It's a place where we can get to connect with each other. It's a place that we can share vital information with each other. It's a place where we can do things like Facebook Lives, which, by the way, have you noticed that Facebook is really pushing lives and stories? Why do they like that? Because we connect with each other, you see, and that's all that Facebook is about. So Facebook can be your friend, or Facebook can put you into jail if you are not Facebook's friend. So think about that as you're going out there and you're posting things about your business, about your lives, about your community, things that are going on in your life, so that you can work around the algorithms and let them work for you. You see, the other thing is that, Facebook is that wonderful medium, and it works really, really well. So use it to your advantage. Use it to build your business. Recognize that it's going to read what you're doing. Recognize that it wants interaction. So again, let me just put a little bit of a plug back into why attraction marketing is good and why it's important for you building an online business, or maybe you have a local business and you want to bring local people into your business. Why is that important? Because attraction marketing is information, and information that's supportive and helps other people grow in their lives builds interaction. When people start interaction, they start talking, and Facebook likes that. And the more you work with Facebook, the kinder Facebook is to you. So if you're one of those people that, thanks Lucy, if you're one of those people that think that you're getting away with something doing the buy one, get one, flash sale, no. When you do that, Facebook doesn't reward you. They don't post your post in front of more people. But when you do it the right way, Facebook will boost your post and get it in front of more people. And when you get your posts in front of more people, you have more engagement. When you have more engagement, people can know, like, and trust you. And when people know, like, and trust you, they will want to hear what you have to say. They will be interested in finding out whatever your product is that you're representing, whether it's Some people do stuff for vitamins. Some people do stuff for weight loss. Some people do hair products. Some people do makeup products. Some people offer different services. Some people sell cupcakes. Some people are event planners. You see, the list is endless. But if you use the tool right, the tool can be very good for you. So I hope you found this helpful, learning a little bit about Facebook algorithms. If you have, give me a thumbs up. Put some hearts out there. Let me know that you're listening. If you've got any questions, please feel free to comment below. And as always, feel free to share. I hope this has been helpful for you. And remember that you can be the little red engine that could too. I think I said that kind of funny. It's Friday. It's Friday. Have a great weekend. And tomorrow we'll do some easy fun stuff. God bless you. Thanks for those hearts. Have a good day.